Hey everyone, welcome back to the Elegancepreneur channel. Today, we're diving into how AI agents are revolutionizing healthcare. From diagnosing diseases to assisting in surgeries, AI is transforming the way we save lives. Let's explore how smart technology is shaping the future of healthcare in just 5 minutes. First, what exactly are AI agents in healthcare? These are intelligent systems designed to analyze medical data, assist healthcare professionals, and even make decisions to improve patient outcomes. Think of them as digital assistants for doctors, nurses, and researchers. From diagnosing diseases faster than ever to helping surgeons perform precise operations, AI agents are becoming indispensable in modern medicine. So, how are AI agents being used in healthcare today? Let's look at 3 key areas: diagnostics, treatment, and patient care. 1. Diagnostics. AI agents can analyze medical images like X-rays and MRIs to detect conditions such as cancer, often with greater accuracy than human doctors. For example, Google's DeepMind has developed AI that can detect eye diseases in seconds. 2. Treatment. AI-powered robots assist surgeons in performing complex procedures with precision, reducing the risk of human error. 3. Patient care. Virtual health assistants like Babylon Health use AI to provide personalized health advice and monitor patients' conditions in real time. Why are healthcare professionals so excited about AI agents? Here are 3 major benefits: accuracy, efficiency, and accessibility. Accuracy. AI agents can analyze vast amounts of data quickly, leading to more accurate diagnoses and treatment plans. Efficiency. By automating routine tasks, AI agents free up healthcare professionals to focus on more complex cases. Accessibility. AI-powered telemedicine platforms bring healthcare to remote and underserved areas, making quality care accessible to everyone. Of course, integrating AI agents into healthcare comes with its own set of challenges and risks. Data privacy. Handling sensitive patient data requires robust security measures to protect privacy. Ethical concerns. How do we ensure AI agents make fair and unbiased decisions? Regulation. Governments and healthcare institutions need to work together to create frameworks that ensure the responsible use of AI in medicine. So, what's next for AI agents in healthcare? The future looks incredibly promising. Imagine a world where AI agents predict health issues before they occur, personalize treatment plans based on your genetic makeup, and assist in surgeries with unparalleled precision. With advancements in AI and machine learning, this future is closer than you might think. AI agents are already making a significant impact in healthcare, and their potential to save lives is immense. From improving diagnostics to enhancing patient care, the future of medicine is smart, efficient, and personalized. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more insights into the world of AI and technology. And let me know in the comments, how do you think AI agents will change healthcare in the future?